Hello pure souls. Welcome to Healings. This channel make your soul more pure. Today we gonna see part 3 of 5 ways to live life free of fear and full of hope. Number 1. Don't let anyone insult, manipulate, or use you. This can be hard to spot, but whenever you feel uncomfortable around someone or feel as if you are walking on eggshells, chances are they are doing or saying things that bring you down and make you liable to manipulation. Social rules can make it difficult to stand up for yourself when someone is negative or insulting, but that is. Number 2. Don't set personal goals based on external influences. Last week, I was talking about goals with my brilliant friend, Julia. She reminded me that it can be damaging to set personal goals based on external factors over which we have limited or no control. For example, having a personal goal of winning a dance competition is an external goal because you never know when the judge. Number 3. Throw away the newspapers. Most of what is written in the newspapers is bad news. There is nothing like something very scary to make people buy and read newspapers. Have you noticed that there is rarely, if ever, good news on the front page? Good news exists everywhere. You don't have to look hard to find it. If you are having trouble believing this, write down all of the good things you see in a day. People open doors for others, people put on benefit concerts to raise money for injured or ill people. The list can go on. I fully believe that there's way more great things happen each day than bad things, and I challenge anyone to prove otherwise. Number 4. Work with children. My job is teaching music to children. It is the best job I can think of. Children are so bright, adorable and fun. They are excited about the future, even if the future is a sleepover or a movie. Kids are more balanced than the average adult because they have not learned to be worried or fearful. Number 5. Listen to music or take a look at some high-quality art. Art and music are the antidote to the stress and negativity of life. It is like the yin and yang. It is your choice whether to focus on the good or the bad. Contrary to what many people believe, art and music are not just whimsical pursuits, they are the breath of life. Many articles tell you to focus on the good, but they don't tell you that you have to make an effort to go out and find the good. It doesn't just come to you. Go to